We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Over their 1,000-year history, Hakka folk songs have evolved from simple laments to complex melodies to fit a range of activities, including felling trees, picking tea, and crossing rivers and lakes by ferry. In bygone days, it was not unusual to hear songs coming from the fields and mountains where people were working. At the end of the day, workers often return home to an evening of singing. The oldest type of mountain song is the Lao Shan Ge. These lilting songs had no fixed lyrics, but were characterized by their long, extended notes, which acted as calls from one person to another across mountains, rivers, and forests. These gradually evolved into Sangezi, which are considerably less ornamented and therefore easier to sing with a quick tempo and a rousing tune. As the Hakka people's lifestyle became more settled, their songs changed again, generally lower in pitch with fewer drawn-out notes. Pingban, as the final form is known, have a fixed rhythm and are often accompanied by dancing. The song's themes are universal, focusing on different aspects of life like love, work, family, and good deeds. The songs may tell stories or jokes, express grief or sympathy, or teach morals and religion. Hello folks, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Lin. You know, I should be talking Hakka more now when we open up. But you know what? Last time we talked about Magai Magai, 对不对？一个是这个所谓的新竹县，一个是苗栗的啊。Magai Magai 就是 what did you do？ 做 Magai 做 Magai 嘛，对不对？我最近在想是不是这样子？因为平常我们会问嘛 ，What are you drinking? What are you eating? 你在喝什么？你在吃什么？你在玩什么？你都可以这样子套上去吗？
做对啦。
Oh, really? It's very easy. So what are you whatever? You can just go 什么什么 Magai Magai。好，那我们先从吃什么？
是马雞，
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 是马雞。Okay, how about drinking? 喝什么？
飲馬雞，
啉马雞，
飲馬雞，
啉马雞。All right, 吃喝玩嘛？
搞馬雞，
搞马雞，
搞馬雞。
如果不是搞东西哦，是玩东西哦。搞马雞，搞马雞。
嘿，
你想什么好了？
熊馬雞，
熊马雞，
熊馬雞。
熊马雞。So it's very simple. This magai is very easy to use. If you learn any vocabularies in Hakka and you just want to add a what to it, it's magai or magai. All right. Well, I guess that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
是冇大家。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.